Hey guys, today I'm testing out the new Rinsewise Spin Mop. It's got two separate tanks for clean and dirty water, so you never have to clean with dirty water ever again. Unlike other mops on the market, where you just use the same dirty water over and over again, and then are expected to call your floors clean. I got mine in white blue, but it also comes in red and white and gray and white. Really quick, I'm just going to put the handles on, make sure everything is in place, and put my mop handle together. If you're worried about length, don't worry. This mop is super long. First, we're gonna... This side right here is where you fill it up with the clean water that you're going to use. And of course, this side is for dirty water. Oh! So I'm glad I checked this because I didn't know that there was extra mop heads underneath. So it ended up coming with 3 mop heads to use. Now it's time to fill her up. I like to use nice hot soapy water. You're going to flip this little switch right here, and this is what's going to let you pump the water into it. So first I'm going to dip it in. I'm going to pump it a few times, and that's going to get my mop nice and saturated. And then when I rinse the mop off on this side, it pumps water into the basin to mop your floors with. So I use my mop for literally everything, for every room in the house, of course. Plus, I wash down all of my doors and walls from the sticky kid fingers. I also have a lot of pets, so I'm always mopping the floors. You can see by the color of this water, it's clear, it's clean every time. So I literally washed all of my floors last night, but I wanted to fully clean my entire house, floors, walls, doors, everything, because I really wanted to see how much of a difference the fresh clean water every time would make. And obviously, as you can see by the color of this water, it makes a huge difference. I mean, I thought my floors were clean, and look at the color of this water. It's gross. So definitely a win for Rinsewise.